Hi, it's James here from Camping Travel Store. I just want to show you how to redo the elastics on your Karsten tent pole should they fray or break. First off, just make up the pole roughly in sections. From there, if you find the section with the clamp and remove the extension part, you can then pull through the shock cord as much as possible and clamp it off. We've just got this clamp, but you can use a mole grip or someone can just hold it for you. From there, you then need a smaller pole, a bit flexible if you can, because there is a washer that holds the shock cord in the tube. And you just need to push that from this end through and out the bottom. From there you can undo it and the shock cord is then available to be taken all the way through. Wherever the repair is, you can then tie it together, pull it through. You want to pull it further and extend it as much as possible once the poles are made up, so that when you come to make them up they spring into action as opposed to just be floppy. And then put the extension piece back in and you're back on track. I hope that helps.